The Visacrem Ottima range of machines is designed to cope with busy working environments. It's available with 2 or 3 group heads, a tall option for takeaway cups, and the economical Ottima style with 1 steam wand. The 2-group machine features an 11.5 litre copper boiler, and the 3-group an 18 litre copper boiler with Teflon tubing for durability. Angled group handles allow for better grip and a reduced risk of RSI. Make multiple coffees and drinks at the same time. As well as ground coffee, you could also use pods and capsules. The Ottima Tall has all the same features but supports larger cup sizes and features 2 steam wands for busier establishments. The Ottima is a heavy-duty espresso machine designed to cope with non-stop coffee production.